Well, what's up, Stock Money Nation? A big shout out to all my money makers out there. I hope today you had an awesome day, but if not, it's all good because I'm gonna help you make tomorrow better than today. This past weekend was July 4th and most people got to enjoy some precious time with friends and family. I hope everybody watching this had a chance to eat good and that you got your rest, because now we back at it and I got some firecracker stocks to get it popping. These stocks are gonna set your portfolio on fire and get that cash coming in. And no, I'm not talking about 10 years from now or sometime next year. I mean like tomorrow. I do my best to find setups that'll get you paid ASAP. Now, I'm not a fortune teller and there are no guarantees, but best believe, family, if I mention it to you, the probability of cashing in is high. I've been doing this for a long time and I'm very familiar with Wall Street. I started back in 2008 and I've been trading ever since. This is my passion. And just in case you didn't know, I am Stock Money Asten. My job is to find the stocks of fantastic companies at great prices to get in at, and then I share them with you. It doesn't matter if you're a day trader or a long-term investor, whether you're new to the market or a seasoned veteran. Everybody's welcome here, no discrimination at all. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for joining me today, because I know it's a million other things you could be doing, so I definitely want to make it worth your while. So in today's video, we'll take a look at how the market finished today so that we can stay up to date. I'll review my picks from the last video so that we can assess, and then I'll give you my 3 hot money makers for tomorrow so that you can get your weight up. So make sure you listen closely so you don't miss your opportunity. These plays are just like the movie. They come fast and furious. Your chance to make money can be here and gone in no time. So you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you stay up to date with my stock picks and you can get in and out and turn around and do the same thing the next day. Also guys, at the end of this video, I'll be breaking down exactly what it means to be a day trader. So stick around so that we're all on the same page. All right, so let's take a look at how the major indices finished. The Dow Jones was down about 0.6% today. The S&P 500 finished down about 0.2%. And the NASDAQ finished up about 0.2%. All of these were down more today, but towards the second half of the day, all of them experienced some recovery. And with the NASDAQ finishing in the green, it's at another 52-week high today. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow's another red day, because we haven't had a big down day in a while. But the market has been going up non-stop. The trend may continue, and if it does, I don't want to fight it. Moving on to one of my picks from the last video was Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. This one was down a little bit over 2%, or down $5.31 to finish the day at $235.41. The intraday low on this one was $234.02, and the intraday high was $242.42. Now guys, looking at this example, I want you to remember, just because the stock is down today does not mean that the strategy did not work. I actually had a lot going on with this one today. I was able to enter in on a position and then sell, and then with the continued weakness at the end of the day, I was able to get in this one again. Now I want to take a closer look at this chart so I can really show you what I mean. If you see in the area that's yellow, that's where I was able to get in this morning. And then in the green, I was able to get out for a little bit of profit. Now later on in the day, like I said, this will continue falling. So right before closing, I picked up some more and I plan on selling this ASAP if it bounces back. Proceeding on to another pick from my last video was Kohrs Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. Now this one finished today down about 0.1%, or down 4 cents to finish at $32.03. The intraday low was $31.83. and the intraday high was $32.64. This one started the day strong, but then fell as the day continued. I didn't really establish a position in this one because it didn't provide me with the weakness that I was looking for. I'll keep an eye on this one for future reference, but today it just didn't provide me with a price I wanted to get in at. And my final pick from the last video was XPeng, ticker symbol XPEV. This one finished the day up about 0.7%, or up 31 cents to finish at $44.05. This one had an intraday low of $42.19 and an intraday high of $45.33. If you were able to pick this one up on weakness, you should have been able to make a nice little profit today. Me, myself, I was able to get in on the pre-market, which it was down about 4%. Who knows why, but I did jump in this one, and this one gave me a nice little 4% increase today. That's why it's good to have access to extended trading hours, because you can find some deals sometimes. Since today is now in the books, let's move on to my money makers for tomorrow. My number one stock pick is the Walt Disney Company, ticker symbol DIS. This is the company that owns Mickey Mouse, ABC, ESPN, all those theme parks, and the Marvel franchise, plus a lot more. So you get a lot of bang for your buck with this one. Looking at the chart, Disney finished down almost 2% today, or down $3.42 to finish the day at $173.69. I'll be looking to grab some shares of this one tomorrow if it provides me with some weakness and a chance to get in, but I don't mind holding it if I have to. And if the overall market falls anytime soon, this is one of the safer plays to be in. Moving forward to my number two pick for tomorrow is JD.com, ticker symbol JD. This company is a giant online retailer in China. Alibaba is the big dog when it comes to e-commerce in the People's Republic, but if you had to pick a number two, it would be JD.com. Looking at the chart today, JD finished down about 5%, or down $3.84 to finish the day at $72.39. This stock has been under a lot of downwards pressure lately, so I'm looking to pick this up on any weakness come tomorrow. It may bounce back and it may not, but at these prices, I can't resist. I should be making some profit sometime soon. And my number three and final pick for tomorrow is Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. If you've been to Las Vegas, you're probably familiar with this company because they operate casinos in Vegas and also in China. Looking at the chart, Wynn finished down about 4% today, or down $4.60 to finish the day at $116.90. The stock price has been sliding down the past couple of weeks, and now it's providing me with the opportunity to get in. So I'll be looking to get in on some weakness from this one, and hopefully it bounces back and I profit quickly, because I believe that Americans have been waiting and they got their money saved up. And now that people are able to get back out, they're anxious to spend their money at places like Wynn Resorts. And now you know the three money makers that I'll be keeping an eye on tomorrow. So if you want to get in on this, be ready. Now remember guys, I am the coach and I'm gonna set you up for success. But you got to run the plays if you want to win. If you want that trophy, you got to get that fear out your heart and get your head in the game. Always remember that every single one of my stock picks may not be for you. You got to do your own due diligence and then based on your research, decide what to do with your money. Only buy shares in companies that you are confident in, because when stock prices go down, and believe me, they will, you want to be able to hold the line. If a 20% drop in the stock price will scare you out or force you to sell, then you had no business investing in that company. Guys, I want to be transparent with you. I do long-term investing and I day trade stocks. Almost all the stocks I present to you to make quick money, I either have a long-term position in already or I plan on building one out. A lot of day traders trade ticker symbols of companies that they've never heard of or have no idea of what the business even is. Some make money and some lose a fortune. I got no beef with that, but that's not why I started this channel. I wanted to show you how to make quick money with companies you love. And like I said, I day trade these companies, so let's take a look at what it means to be a day trader. So let's take a look at some definitions. So according to FINRA.org, what exactly is a day trade? Day trading refers to buying then selling, or selling short then buying the same security on the same day. Just purchasing a security without selling it later that day would not be considered a day trade. So basically when you buy and sell something on the same day, that's considered a day trade. And for those of you who weren't aware, when you short sell something, that's when you make money by a stock going down instead of it going up. Yes, this could be confusing if you're new, but just understand some people do make money by betting on stocks to go down. Now let's move on to see what it means to be a pattern day trader. You will be considered a pattern day trader if you trade 4 or more times in 5 business days and your day trading activities are greater than 6% of your total trading activities for the same 5-day period. So to break that down, when you get in and out of a stock, that's a day trade. And if you do that more than 3 times within 5 days, you're considered a pattern day trader. And to be a pattern day trader, you have to meet a minimum equity requirement. So let's take a look at what that means. The minimum equity requirements on any day in which you trade is $25,000. The required $25,000 must be deposited in the account prior to any day trading activities and must be maintained at all times. So what this means is that if you're considered a pattern day trader, which means you made more than 3 day trades within 5 days, you have to keep at least $25,000 in your account at all times to make more trades. And if you don't, usually your broker will freeze your account for 90 days or you can deposit more funds into your account to equal the 25,000 and you'll be allowed to keep trading. One thing I also want to mention is that in order to day trade, you need to have a margin account. When you open a new account with the broker, you have two types of accounts to choose from. That's either a cash account or a margin account. You pick which one you want and then you'll open your new trading account. However, you can change up later if you decide to. The difference between the two is that the cash account has more limitations and you don't have as much flexibility when it comes to trading. And also the margin account allows you to borrow money from your broker. Even though you can borrow money, that doesn't mean you should. Only do that if you're experienced and you're comfortable with it, because you will have to pay that money back with interest. Just because you're able to do something doesn't mean you should do it. Like, we are all able to climb up a building and jump off the roof, but that doesn't mean we should. So if you meet all those qualifications, you can trade in and out of stocks as much as you like. But if you don't meet the criteria, don't be discouraged, because we all had to start somewhere. I was trading for several years before I leveled up to day trading. And plus, that's why I share stock picks with you day in and day out. So no matter what kind of timeline you're on or your account size, you can get in on this action. If you have a day job or you live a very active life, it may not even be practical for you to day trade. And if you have a smaller account, you can do it, just not every day until your account balance reaches 25,000. That may seem like a lot of money to many of y'all, but every win counts, believe me. You just got to keep stacking your wins up and eventually you'll get there, believe me. As a bonus, you got me to help you out along the way. So I hope that cleared up some things for anyone who may have needed some clarity on day trading. If I was able to help you out, make sure you smash that like button. And if you got questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna keep dropping heat. All of this helps the YouTube algorithm promote my channel, which helps me help more people. That's a lot of helping, I know. And remember everyone, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I know the future. Everything I present to you on this channel is for educational purposes only and just my opinion. Also, if you want access to the extended trading hours, or if you want another broker, because you should definitely have more than one, consider signing up for Webull. And if you use my link below, we both get a free stock if you open a new account and make a deposit. All you got to do is deposit at least $5 and you get at least one free stock. And if you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks. Come on, that's an easy win. Who doesn't love free money? At least think about it. And with all that said, I'm gonna wrap it up for today. So just know, you are beautiful, somebody thinks you're special, and I love you. Peace, I'll see you in the next one.